Так. BMW app says change brake fluid. Due on July 7th. Today is July 7th? Okay, so it's in a month, roughly. Service due soon. Okay. We have one of these brake fluid testers. It says the battery is good, green. I'm thinking if it's bad, it should be red. Less than 1% water, 2% water, 3%, and 4%. So if it's green, yellow, yellow, red. So if it's one red, it should be changed. If it's two red, must be changed immediately. Okay, so let's test it. We have this 23 BMW M3. I've never opened the brake fluid reservoir. I don't actually know where it is. Probably in there somewhere. So let's get to it and then we'll test it. We'll see what it says. Yeah, it's actually on this side. I think I remember it seeing here. Okay, let's open it up. This is the first time opening it. Let's check the fluid level. Yeah, fluid's right here. It's on top. It's what? I think it's higher than maximum, but that's what BMW did, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Okay, let's see. Is this thing wet? Yes, yeah, there are 2 droplets. So it did go in. Let's try again. I'm gonna dip it in. There it is. Okay, less than 1%. Actually, no, 0. I thought it's because if you look from above, but if you look like this, yeah, 0 right there. It's in. Tested, 0. No water in it at all. I have no problems with braking, with fading, with soft brake pedal, nothing. The fluid shows no water, so why would you replace it? Just throw it away. Throw away good fluid. It's up to you. I'm gonna keep going. After filming the video, I thought, what if this thing doesn't work? It just shows 0 no matter what you do. So I put some water in here. Let's test it. There it is. Okay, so it does work. If you dip it in water, it goes red. So it's bad. Okay, so it does work. There you go. Car has 20,000 miles. I don't see a reason to change it. If you want to change it, if you like, you should change it. If you don't pay for it, why not? But if you have to pay for it, I don't see a reason to change it. There you go.